What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. What we're gonna do today is kind of go over the SPY and the recap on it and a couple different setups that was out there that you could have spotted to make money on. If we start the SPY back from the morning opening, you see we had that big spike up. Boom, we went to 573.55 and they brought it back down to 572.64. If you go back and check my announcements, I think I said, what was it? SPY, not interested, into calls to 574.75. That's what I put out. And then I think I had a level at no puts into 571.90. Once you start seeing these plays get above that level or either below that level, that's when we start paying attention to puts. As you see, they ran it back down to 572.63. We just sitting tight because we know they still playing games right now. Boom, we had that spike up right around the 10 o'clock mark. We had data and they ran this thing to 574.20. So I'm sitting back to see what's going to happen. Are they going to boom this thing up to my level 574.75, or if they're going to start pulling this thing back? And you see, this was the first sign to, hey, things ain't what it seemed for the Bulls. They running it up, but look, they ran this thing all the way up to 574.20, and then what happened? You get this long wick back down to reality. They brought this thing back down on 573.80, and then they chopped. You see, they tried to come back to it, but they never could get above it. So now I'm seeing that Bulls are looking weak. They're looking weak because they can't get back up here. Now I'm paying attention to VWAP. I want to see if they can start crashing up under VWAP, and that's going to give me my first indication that bears may be ready to start coming in strong. And as you see, they slowly start dropping. And when I see this candle right here, again, guys, you got to know how to read these candlestick patterns because they tell the story. And right here in the 5 minute, I see this little reversal candle. That tells me that, man, all this good stuff that the Bulls was doing right here is ready to be invalid. And what happens? We get a test to the non-EMA, my yellow line, the next candle. Boom, we testing VWAP. Now I'm sitting back. I'm patiently waiting because this is the setup that I want to see. I want to see us break below VWAP and then hold under VWAP. And you see, boom, we came down. Now we at 572.90. Bulls came back in. You always going to get that retest. And that's exactly what they did. They retested. They went back above VWAP. I'm looking to see if they can hold above VWAP and start running back here, or my confirmation that the bears is ready to come on strong. And that next candle, you see, they ran it up, but then boom, came back down. We up under VWAP now, and now they trying to take out another key important area, the 20 EMA. And what happens? Boom, now I'm all in. Boom, we come all the way back down to what? 571.90. And as you see, what did I say? If we start breaking and hold under 571.90, it puts us on the table. They tested it, and anytime they test the key level, they gonna expect to boom back up. They gonna boom it back up, and you see that's what they did. But what are we still under? That blue line. That blue line is VWAP. We up under VWAP. I'm not even thinking about calls because calls is not it. And they couldn't get it back to VWAP. I'm looking for a red candle the next play. Red candle, boom. We came back down to my key level again. They started chopping it down. They ran it to the 200 EMA. I see this 200 EMA. I know what's ready to happen. They're going to try to boom it back up top. And that's exactly what they did. They boomed it back up top. Here's VWAP again. And a lot of these times, guys, you got to notice what's going on. If you got EMAs on your chart, know how to play those EMAs. Study it. You can't get in on your first day of training and think you have all the answers. You got to watch these setups and time and repetition to understand this. But me me, I always look left. What do I tell you guys? Look left. They got rejected at the 200. I knew it was going to be some type of bounce back, guys. If you study what I be telling you guys in the video, especially the 200 that we have been teaching and training on, you knew that it was going to overshoot it. You got these tweezer bottoms right here. Look at that. That was the first sign to tell you fresh is right at 200. We ready to bounce off of it. Boom, they bounced off of it. They couldn't take out VWAP. And if you look left, what do you see? These towers right here that showed you we were coming down. And I always look left. Even if that wick is right there, I'm seeing is anything on that same level as that wick to the left to know that we're ready to come back down. And I see this over here on the left. Now, guys, do a double top, have to be a double top. It's still a double top, but it doesn't have to mean that we're going to go back down or we're going to pop back up on the double bottom. The probability of a double top mean that we're going to come back down. It's a high probability that it's going to fall back down, but it doesn't have to. You just got to sit back and have other things going on that you understand that if we don't take VWAP out, we're coming back down. And I'm looking to the left. I'm looking at VWAP. We didn't hit VWAP. I'm looking to the left. I see we got some drama over here. To me, I'm going to call that a tweezer top. That may not be the official definition of a tweezer top, but if you watching the game, you know your setups, you pay attention, and you have dived into these same type of setups before, all you do, you set your stop loss. If I'm gonna take a risk on it, I'm gonna set my stop loss at VWAP up here. That means if it gets the VWAP, I'm out of this play. It kicked me out. I was wrong. You live to see another day. You don't even worry about it. No trader is gonna be 100% accurate, but that's why you got your stop loss to be able to protect you against being wrong. But me, I'm going in right now because they done tested my resistance area down here at 571.90. They bounced. They came back to it. They bounced up. I'm looking to the left. We didn't take out VWAP. We didn't take out this area right here. It's on. I'm diving in. This is where I'm getting my puts at. Right here. 572.63. What happens? Boom, we come back down. They shot it to the 9 EMA. I know we losing the 9. We coming back to the 200 for that retest, and we going to kill it. We right here at my area, 571.90. What happens next? Boom, we come back down. We sitting at 571.20. Next candle, boom. As you see, you watched the video from the previous day. I had this same area of resistance down here in that video, and we ran almost to the penny. Guys, I'm throwing these levels out here because I want you to make money, but you have to respect the areas. Get in, get out, make your money. Don't worry about the play no more. And as you see, that's exactly what happened. Boom, 570.37. And then the next candle, they kind of bounced it back up. You out of your play already. It did its job already. You ain't worried about these candles right here. If you want to play that test of the 200 to bounce back up, boom. But no, they didn't take out VWAP. They didn't even touch VWAP. You know what's ready to happen. We coming right back down, and that's what we did. Boom, came right back down. 571.30. And that's where we closed at. I'm giving you these setups to pay attention to. I'm giving you the levels on top of teaching you about the 200, the VWAP, and the double tops, the double bottoms. If you just simply study these plays right here, these are money-making opportunities that you can have and be super duper successful on. One ticker I want to cover that I see that's making some money as well. We're going to throw Mstr out there. Miss K called this and put this on my radar. As you see, if you was in calls on that play at the opening, boom, ran that thing all the way up. We started down here at 168. Boom, we ran it up to 178.27. They shot at 179.55, and then they came back down. Chopped a little bit. I think somebody in the Discord called out, hey, there's some tweezer tops going on. And what happened? Boom, ran that thing all the way back down. And then there at Power Hour, they ran it back up. So I'm going to have this one on my radar for Monday morning and see if we can chop this one up and make some money off of it. Shout out to Miss K for putting that on my radar. I appreciate you. Guys, I just wanted to put this on your plate. That way you got something to pay attention, study to, jumping into Monday morning session. Guys, I'll be right there with you Monday morning. As you know, guys, jump into the Discord because we get down on Monday mornings, 9:20. We're going to start that live and we going to knock it out of the ballpark. Last but not least, I want to show a comment from somebody earlier yesterday. It came from TN79. Said, "Hey, D Fresh, today is my first day in your Discord. Thank you very much for all the levels of Tesla SPY. 30% gain on Tesla calls, 12% gain on SPY puts." Boom! Champagne bottles in the air for you. That is a nice gain. I appreciate the support and keep grinding. But guys, we knocking them out of the ballpark. Make sure you come into the Discord because we out here grinding. But hey, if you like this kind of content, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below, subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. If you like sniper type, level to level, periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, Nvidia, Tesla, Nike, Palantir, Hut, Hood, go ahead and join me in my Discord. The link in the description below. And as always, we're grinding. Good luck out there and let's get it. Boom.